Nesh, tell me Nesh.
क्या सर बहुत बिजी चल रहे हैं आप?
एक्चुअली थोड़ा रिलीज है ऑफिस में इसलिए कल रात पूरा काम किया था।
अच्छा अच्छा।
तो सुबह थोड़ा उठ के आज थोड़ा फेस्टिवल है ना वो
हाँ,
मंदिर इधर
शिवरात्रि।
जाके आया था। पर आज रात भी काम करना पड़ रहा।
अच्छा अच्छा, आज यू आर वर्किंग टुडे?
Yeah.
क्या सर, आप यू आर डेफिनेटली एन असेट फॉर योर कंपनी। हाँ।
Yeah, it's an important release for us. There are a couple of new features we
अच्छा
released to data center.
अच्छा अच्छा।
So having issues in configuring those new features.
दैट्स
Just
रियली
working
गुड
with
सर।
those guys.
दैट्स रियली गुड। सो
So how's it going?
बस
I
एवरीथिंग।
went to last week actually. I went to Tirupati, so
हाँ
I
हाँ।
was not there here, and I was there almost a week,
अच्छा
and then
अच्छा।
came back to office, and it's all full work. And from that day onwards, actually, I was like busy, so
अच्छा।
that's the reason why I didn't make your call yesterday and today as well.
सो तिरुपति वाज मोर ऑफ अ हॉलीडे या वर्क?
No, no, it's a holiday vacation. I just
वेरी गुड सर। यार लोगों को सर टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है, वेकेशन निकाल के जा रहे हैं सर,
Yeah,
स्पेशली
I mean, it's
मार्च।
a very long pending trip. I mean, I went last time when I was studying 10th class.
ओह
So
ओके।
maybe after I think 12 or 15 years, 12 or 15 years that I have been not there.
अच्छा।
So निकलना पड़ा लीव.
Okay, okay. Chalo, very good, sir. Sir, I just wanted to chat with you for 10. You got your document?
Yeah, I got the documents and everything. I saw your mail regarding the plot and everything. But
हाँ.
Niesh, I got the. I mean, I have searched my plot. I was able to get that plot actually.
कहाँ पे सर, कहाँ पे लिया है आपने?
It's close to near to BHEL.
Okay,
It's a Huda layout again of 200 square yards.
okay,
I got it for 9,400 per square yard.
okay. Can you also share some details so some of my other clients who are looking for it, I can help them out?
It's in Aminpur, what you call that place. In
Okay,
Aminpur, there is a Jana Chaitanya layout.
okay,
So all of them are Huda layouts. So
okay.
in that, what I'm looking for, I got it. But just waiting for the documents to be because the landowner actually stays in Chennai.
Uh-huh.
So that's in progress actually. So my dad's friend is looking into those things.
Okay,
When the landowner is the closest friend of him,
okay.
so he is dealing with them.
तो मुझे कुछ अच्छा है तो बताइए सर, probably I can also help my some of my other friends.
Yeah, I mean it's a very nice place, Niesh. I mean it's a very good place now. It's developing. Most of the software employees only actually taking all those places.
Uh-huh.
But it's like right now there is phase one and phase two in there. Phase one is actually developed right now. Sorry, phase two is developed. Phase one is yet to be developed. So
Do you
in
have a
phase two, actually, the per square yard it's going up to 10, 12, 30 like that. But in phase one, you can vary actually from 8,500 to 10,000. It is there like that.
Do you
Can
have
keep going.
a layout, a sanction plan, or something of that sort?
Yeah, it's a Huda section. Yeah.
Do you have the details?
Details of what you are looking for.
Wait, details of the layout, the sanction plan, and other things?
No, I don't have anything right now, but you can take a look. I mean, if you go to BHL, right, and
No,
take
I basically don't want to take a look till the time my clients are interested. First, I would like to share it with my client.
okay, okay.
So, if the clients are interested, then I will take them across.
Give me a second. There's
Yeah,
another call coming.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Yanish.
Yeah, sir. So, if you can share with me some details, it will be good. So, I can also share it with few of my clients.
Right now, I don't have anything. Only thing I can say is the place. They can go over there. There are a couple of offices, plots for sale like this, right? You can go and talk to them, and then you'll get it.
Okay.
Which is near to Aminpur Lake.
Is it a gated community?
No, it's a Huda layout. That's it. Not a gated community.
Okay, okay. Well, what I'm talking to you about is a gated community, and it is in the same range, 10 to 12,000 rupees per square yard, and it
Uh-huh.
is 1.5 kilometers from High Tech City. Sorry, from Gachibowli, around 3 kilometers from Microsoft,
Uh-huh.
and
Uh-huh.
it is around 2 kilometers from Jubilee Hills.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
And it is. Have you seen Aditya Impress Towers?
No, I haven't gone that side actually. How much they are saying per square year?
They are saying
12,000?
around 10 to 12,000 rupees, depending on the land area, depending on the facing, depending on the height.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. But I'm getting it for 9,400 Anish.
But your location is BHEL, ba. I'm
So,
talking about 2 kilometers from High Tech City.
but there is no guarantee that I'll be working in high-tech city all the way.
Yeah, but even if you sell off, you will get a better price after 2 years, na? BHEL will take lot of time to develop. This is already developed area.
Even the BHL is also same near. It's I don't know whether you are aware of that area, but even that is also a very
No,
good
but
area. But
this is how many kilometers that BHEL is from? This area is from High Tech City.
high-tech city it will be 15, I guess.
15 kilometers. I'm talking about 2 to 3 kilometers from High Tech City.
Uh-huh,
So,
uh-huh.
do you think this area will develop faster or BHEL will develop faster?
I can't say like that, but even this area is a Huda layout or
It's a Huda approved layout.
uh-huh, uh-huh.
It's a Huda approved layout with loan facility available.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. Okay.
You should see this before finalizing. You will be amazed to see this.
Uh-huh.
Lanco Hills is just like this. You can see Venkatesh, film actor, is there now. You can see his house.
Uh-huh,
Right hand
uh-huh.
side is Hyderabad golf course.
Uh-huh.
It's a very well developed area.
Okay, okay. Mm, okay. So that when can we have a look at this plot if I need if
When
I
do
want to?
when do you want to go and have a look at? You tell me. I'll organize one of my teammates to come and show it to you.
Maybe today is what, Sunday, right? Tomorrow office. Mm, are there any houses nearby this layout?
Yeah, there are a lot of houses built.
Okay, okay.
In fact, there is
Is this not the Shankarpalli, right?
no. This is not Shankarpally.
Rajendra Nagar. Huh?
Yeah, this comes near Rajendra.
I'm just opening your mail. Like, I have to open the mail. I don't know tomorrow I'll get time or not, but just looking. So, what is the square yard these guys have? All of them are very high, or else from
It's
starts from
starting
one?
from I think 200, 300, 500 like that.
Okay, okay. Then let's see. I mean, will tomorrow at what time we can see? I'm just checking. The thing is, so we have this release happened weekend. There are a couple of issues needs to be looked on Monday itself.
Okay.
Actually, most of them haven't been closed. Mm, shall we make it on 12th?
I'll ask my team.
Mm-hmm.
Srinivas Kandula will be a person. He will call you
Uh-huh.
and he will show you the site.
Okay, okay. Fine.
He will take it along. He will take you along and probably show you the site. You can meet him somewhere directly over there.
Uh-huh.
He also keeps traveling to that place. You can meet him. He'll show you the sites. What is our budget? 25 to 30 lakhs.
No, I'm looking at 20, right?
20 lakhs is it? I'll
Yeah.
have to check with him if you have something in 20 lakhs range.
Okay. Okay.
So I'll ask him to speak to you,
Mm-hmm.
and then probably you can take it further with him.
Okay. Fine. Fine. Yeah.
Okay?
Nice.
I'll just drop the call and call you back in 1 minute.
Now.
Yeah, I'll just call you in 1 minute. Give me 1 minute.